In finances, there are four main things. First is insurance claim. How much time does it take
And how much it is costing per insurance?
per insurance? Because that will determine. Nowadays, most of the patients are coming through insurance sector,
Yeah.
and they are channelizing themselves into various hospitals and keeping the insurance in mind. So they should be swift and timely.
Okay.
Then the claim denial rate. How many claims are denied because of the hospital problem issues or patient's diagnosis issues? That also gives you a good marker for the financial system is healthy or not. Then average treatment charges. Now charges are also very well capped, or you can say the upper limit has been capped for many procedures. And even in the IRDA, the government agencies are now coming up with their own preferable hospitals who will follow their rates.
Yeah.
Then coming on to the permanent employee wages, like what amount of you are giving to them.
Okay. Okay. So this will all these four KPIs will give you an idea of financial health.